Okay. I just got in a wreck.
Contact?
You got it. Yeah, go, keep going.
What's hitting?
Just push.
The toe hits or my bumper itself?
You're good. You're just on the front of it. Pretty good. You have to give it more than that. Gotta give it a good one. There it is, it's moving. Oh yeah. You got room, dude. You got room to go up front now. You good? Alright, keep going a little bit. Stop. Yeah, go back. We got Fritz out here too. Hell yeah.
You gonna hit it again?
No, just go. Just go forward. Oh, you got it.
Good?
Yeah, you're good, man.
Yeah, you're perfect. Get out of here.
What is he doing? What? How did he do that? Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh my god! Woo. Oh shit! Oh my god! Holy shit!
I don't love that. Look at this guy doing a wheelie right here.
Oh my god!
Oh! Why would he do that?
I don't know, but I have it on dash cam.
Get your car! You understand? This is why we're concerned, ma'am! Wow. I think we need to call the police. JMV? Oh God, please tell her to stop! Oh my God, tell her to get away from the car!
Hey, y'all come back. She's called somebody.
Hello? I'm about to pull up out.
Call. Please choose cancel from the screen or